Welcome back to Keeping Another Logi, and today we're gonna be doing we're gonna be going duck hunting. So I'm gonna get my truck ready, and I'll meet y'all when I get in my boat. Let's go. Alright, so right now it's early in the morning, like really early, and once it gets daytime, I'm gonna wait for like a flock of ducks to just fly over, and I'm gonna start shooting. So meet y'all when I get the ducks.